Hello. So we are Team Syntax Squad. Today, more than 60% of India lives in villages, right? So yet the access to information, government schemes, healthcare, and agricultural guidance is still fragmented, confusing, and inaccessible for the people living in those rural areas, especially the elderly ones or the uneducated ones like the rural farmers, right? And when we talk about digital India, then it is very important for us to incorporate those people also in the digital stream of India. So what we bring to you is GrammenConnect. What is GrammenConnect is this is a portal. This is a system of different AI agents which help the farmers to incorporate all the data, all the government schemes, all the data related to the crop diseases, let's say, or related to healthcare. So it helps them, assists them to access it without the knowledge of, without that much knowledge of digitalization, as well as without the knowledge of that particular language in which the scheme has been published, which is majorly English, right? So let's see how it works. So first of all, we have a feature where we can change the languages. Like I have switched English to Hindi, right? We have other languages as well, like Bengali and Telugu and many more, like almost all the listed languages of India, and we can add others as well. Now let's start. Like I have to log in. Then I have registered my ideas. Sorry, and password is, yeah. So the portal opens, right? Here we have different features. First one is, let's say, Kisan Mandi. So what Kisan Mandi does is that, suppose I am a farmer, so I want to sell my product, right? So I can upload my product on this portal directly. If I want to upload it by, by registering it in text and photos, I can do it that way as well, or else I can upload it just by speaking. Also, we have a assistant here which is called Sahayak AI, which helps you by speech command, or even you can write text, but the best feature of it is speech command. And you can even use it in different languages. Like let me show you in Hindi. If I use Sahayak AI and if I tell him किसान मंडी खोलो, मेरी तबीयत खराब है. So yeah, it will switch directly to the portal like this. Different portal, different features of our portal. So yeah, afterwards we have another feature which is this Pauda Swast AI, which is nothing but crop health AI. So what crop health AI does is that, let's suppose there is another farmer which detects a disease in his crop field, right? So what it does is to advise him just by using the photo of what disease he is saying. Let's say I have black spots on my tomato leaves, right? So I upload an image of tomato leaf, and this AI can suggest me based on the 70,000 images which we have used to train it, and it can suggest us that what could be the probable problem and what we can do as solution. So we are planning to implement such AI models in all these four features, which are Vision, Helper, and Swasthya Sathi as well. And we have another some not so some lesser dominant features as well, like UPI payment basics, telehealth consultation, government crop insurance, and all. So all these in totality make the digital India very much accessible for digital India very much accessible for for the rural. So all this makes digital India very much accessible for the rural population of India and makes it easier for them to use. Now let's talk about the economic scalability. So what we are planning right now is not to charge any user money to the farmers or the users we have, but rather we are gonna charge to the suppliers and to the big business holders. Like for instance, let's say if a farmer registers his crop over mandi, and different mandis are in competition to procure that crop, so we are gonna charge the mandi to use our data, like the data, not any personal or private information of the farmer or the user, but just the data of how much crop is available in this particular village or in this particular district, and from where it can procure, right? And similarly for Swasthya Sahayak, if Swasthya Sahayak suggests some farmer to undergo some few rounds of tests, let's say some dengue tests, so we can charge the testing labs to share that data, and this way we can like our major expenses are nothing but API plus AI and our database, right? So in the total expense per annum, as we have calculated, comes around 20 lakhs, and to incorporate it to take it back as revenue. We have planned that we are charging, as I told you, these um, target groups. हाँ. So we are planning to charge these target groups like the mandi owners or the hospital owners or the lab owners, and this way we have calculated that we can, with around 15,000 users, which is very easy target in any particular one single district of, Bihar or UP or West Bengal, like densely populated regions. So we can just use it, and this would break even within a year with a population of 15,000 users using our app. So this is a really good idea, and I leave you with this comment that